Exterior paint colors for 2025 are all about embracing both boldness and subtlety, reflecting a balance between modern trends and timeless appeal. Earthy, natural tones are at the forefront, with soft greens like sage and olive making a strong appearance, symbolizing a connection to nature. These shades work beautifully for homes surrounded by greenery or natural landscapes. Deep blues and dark grays are also trending, offering a sleek and contemporary look, often paired with crisp white trims for a clean, polished effect. Warm neutrals like taupe, beige, and sandy tones continue to dominate, providing a calming backdrop that complements a variety of architectural styles. Soft, muted colors like lavender gray and pale yellow are perfect for homeowners looking to add a subtle touch of personality without overwhelming the exterior. These colors evoke a sense of warmth and nostalgia, making homes feel inviting and welcoming. Dark accents, such as charcoal black for doors and window frames, add contrast and sophistication to lighter base colors, creating a striking visual appeal. Bold hues like terracotta, mustard yellow, and rusty red are also making waves, perfect for those who want to make a statement and give their home a unique character. Eco-friendly and energy-efficient paints are increasingly popular, with many homeowners opting for low VOC paints that are safe for the environment. Matte finishes are in vogue, giving exteriors a smooth, modern look, while satin finishes offer a slightly glossy appearance, ideal for homes in sunny regions. Color combinations are key in 2025, with complementary color palettes being a top choice for creating visual harmony. For example, pairing a soft green exterior with a light gray roof and white accents adds depth without overwhelming the eyes. Monochromatic schemes are also gaining traction, especially for minimalist designs where subtle variations in the same color family create a sleek, cohesive look. Homes with wood or stone features benefit from neutral or muted shades that highlight these natural elements, while bolder tones can be used for accent walls or specific architectural details. Reflecting a focus on sustainability, many homeowners are choosing paint colors inspired by their natural surroundings, helping to integrate their home into the landscape. Overall, the exterior paint trends for 2025 are about creating a personalized yet harmonious look that blends with the environment while reflecting the homeowner's taste. From soft and muted tones to bold and daring accents, the possibilities are endless.